since it rained, the reward they told you. Raining in 30 and 4 years it was dry. Winds kicked up, just turned out the light. Thought they could fall beyond the west Dakota. What could be worse than a springtime tornado? They drive the native grasses away, not knowing that they held the dirt in place. And rain don't follow the plow. Black rollers came and they picked up the ground. They tossed that dry land on and rain. Yeah, rain don't follow the plow. They thought it was night. Houses were buried and the exodus began. They moved to California to keep their families fed. Some were white collar before they moved west. They came back to summer just like the rest. Government tried to help those who stayed, regardless of the choice.